Hi children, good morning. How are you? I think you're all fine. Of course, I too fine, ma. How did you spend all these days? I think you're all playing with your friends, watching TV, going somewhere. Am I right? Of course, I do the same. Okay. How many of you are studying well in these days? A few of. Am I right? Okay. But coming days you don't neglect. You are all concentrate on our studies because the government will commence the examinations in the July month. So we don't delay our time. Okay, Nana? I think your teachers already revised in WhatsApp groups. Maybe they are sending homeworks and some question papers, model papers through the WhatsApp. Already you are write and send it the same day. Okay. Now you are going to discuss the main part of the lessons. Okay, no need to discuss the entire lesson, only revise it. What is the first lesson? What is the first unit? Personality development. In personality development, what is the reading? Attitude is altitude. Here I am not discussing the entire lesson, only we are going to discuss the comprehension part of a reading. Okay, let us go for the comprehension. Thank you. Just I will share the screen. All of you watch on the screen. I will explain you. Okay, ma. I will share the screen. I think all of you can see these paragraphs on the screen. The first paragraph. Already you have learnt at your classrooms. Your teachers are taught you. Just we have revised these paragraphs once again. Okay, ma? Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he didn't let the details stop him. The brave 20 years old, who is mainly a torso, plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. Already we have learned this paragraph in our main lesson. Okay. Now let us see how the questions will come on the examination pattern. Okay, the first question: how do you describe Nick's physical condition? How do you describe? Okay, how Nick was physically? He was no arms and legs. It means he was a torso. He had no arms and legs. Okay, the second question: but he doesn't let the details stop him. What does this mean? The line means, it means he doesn't allow his disability to change him. Isn't it or not? Absolutely, it's right. His disability, can he stop him? No. The next question: what does the phrase "the detailed" means? Okay, I will share the next screen. Okay, it's mean what? Disability. It means Nick's disability. The fact that Nick was a torso. The fourth question: what does torso mean? Torso means what? The part of the body. It's include the head, arms and legs. Okay. The fifth question: what does despite means in the above lines? Despite means without being affected by. What was Nick born? Sorry. Where was Nick born? All of you know very well. Nick was born in Melbourne, in Australia. Okay. Second passage. Now we are going to learn second passage. All of you listen to me carefully. Please watch on the screen. Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enable him to kick. Ma. Okay. Now have a look on questions. What does Nick call his small foot? How Nick calls his small foot? Chicken drumsticks. Okay, the second question: why does he call it chicken drumstick? Why Nick call his call it as a chicken drumstick? Because it looks like a chicken drumstick. Okay. The third question, what does enable means? Here, E-N-A-B-L-E, enable. Enable means to start something, to do something, to make something possible. Okay, U-N-A-B-L-E, enable means can't do. But here, enable, E-N-A-B-L-E, enable means to do something, to start something. Okay, ma'am? Okay, the next question. What does pick up means here? Pick up means to pick something from the earth, something from some place. Okay. The fifth question. Use pick up in your own words. Already we have learnt in first unit or second unit. We have phrasal verbs. Look after, look into, look at. These are all we have learnt in our previous classes and at the same time in 10th class. Those phrasal verbs, with the help of phrasal verbs you had made sentences. Okay. Here also he asked, we use a sentence of our own with using of pick up. So he picked up the letter and read it. The phone rang and I picked it up. Mummy, can you pick me up? And sometimes if we need to go out, then we ask our mom, okay, can you pick me up, mom? Like this. The sixth question. How many feet does Nick have? Nick has only 1 foot. Okay, the next passage. Water sports are in Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a cup tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. This passage also we have learnt in our classroom. Just we are going to discuss the questions, how it comes in the examination. The first question. What does tucked means here? Here, tucked means kept. K-E-F-T, kept. The second question, what is the antonym of huge? Here the examiner asks the antonym of huge, not asking synonym. If he asks synonym, huge means big. But here asks antonym. So little or small. Okay, the next question. What does the fan means here? Fan means not running fan. Here fan means a person who admires someone or somebody or something. Say for example, I'm a great fan of Mahesh Babu, I'm a great fan of Sri Ramachandrudu, like this. What is the next question? What is English Premier League? English Premier League is a professional association of a football league, like IPL, Indian Premier League. IPL, I think you all can watch on television. Okay, ma'am. Next question. What does club mean here? Club means a long metal stick with a piece of metal or wood. Okay, na ma'am? The next passage. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to here a small printing mistake, MYM. Please correct it, MOM, mom. I went to mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. I felt cold and bitter. Okay, this passage follows some questions. Let us discuss. What is the first question? Why was he depressed? Why Nick was depressed? Because of his disability. The next question, what does feel cold and bitter? In this passage, regarding this passage, this means uncomfortable and upset. Okay. Can we go for the next passage? Okay, start. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents were in there to look after me. Please, you can identify in the above passage what the phrase in the above passage. I think all of you know, look after, look into, look for, look at. These are all phrases. Okay, we have look on questions. The first question is, why did the speaker hate God? All of us known very well. Why Nick was hated God? Because of his torso because of his disability. Okay, the next question, who took care of the speaker? Absolutely his parents. His parents took care of him. The third one, what is the meaning of the phrasal verb look after? Already we know, we can discuss in the starting of this passage. Okay, look after means take care of. Say for example, with using of this phrasal verb we can make a sentence. The mother look after the child. I look after my grandparents. The bird look after his baby, like this. Okay ma? Okay, next we are going to the next passage. The challenge in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Okay, this is a passage. Already we know. Now discuss the questions. What is the first question? What does the strengthen means? Strengthen means to make strong. Okay, the next question, what was the phrasal verb run over means here? Already we know, run over means knock, to knock or hit. The third one, what does the word convictions means here? Convictions means strong beliefs. Okay, fourth one, what is the antonym of bravery? Antonym, not synonym. First understand the question. Okay ma? If he asks the synonym of bravery, it is a bold, but he here asks the antonym of bravery, cowardice or timidly. Okay, fifth one, what does the word perseverance? Perseverance means the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. If you are not able to write these three sentences, just we can shortcut. Okay ma? Perseverance means the quality of continuing to try to achieve. Okay, here some antonyms and synonyms are here. If maybe comes in our examination, determination, diligence, persistence, tenacity. Okay, you can find these synonyms in dictionary and write the many of the words. Okay, antonyms, laziness, lethargy. Okay, the sixth one, how does challenges help us? Challenges make us convictions strong. Okay. Okay ma'am, I hope you all understand these passages. I think already you are practicing, but this is the crucial time for the examination. So once again you are practice. I think one or two passages from these definitely will come on our exams. Last time in the previous examination pattern, only passage gives 5 marks, but the modern examination in this year mainly, every passage gives 10 marks. So you much more concentration on this comprehension part. Okay. Okay. Next, the other component we will discuss today. It is also very important to need to learn. That is creative writing. In the creative writing part, we have many resources like diary entry, newsprint, description, letter writing, biographical sketch, hints development, or paragraph writing. These are all important, but today we are going to learn one component, that is letter writing. Already you know how many types of letter? 2 types. One is formal and second one is informal. Informal business letters and second one professional letters. Okay, business letters and professional letters comes under formal letters, And the second one is informal letters. In informal letters, only personal letters. Personal feelings, personal emotions like write to your friend, mother, father. These are all comes under informal. Okay, ma? Here we are using only simple language. Okay. Now I will dictate or I will share the screen a few of important letters. You just follow me and write down all these and practice it for the examination. Don't miss. Okay, Nana? Wish you all the best for the examinations and please be practice each and every one thoroughly and write the homeworks and send into your school WhatsApp groups. Thank you. Okay, Nana, shall we know the rules and regulations of the instructions of writing letter? Have you interest? Okay, come on. Now I will explain you the rules and instructions before writing letter. Okay, some important points we have to learn before writing a letter. Those are, first one is date and station. Second one is salutation. Third one is body of the letter. Fourth one is subscription. Fifth one is superscription. Before we start the letter, these are the important points. First one, date and station. We write right side of the paper, right side of the page. It is selected only 1 mark. Salutation gets 1 mark. Body of the letter allotted 5 marks. Subscription allotted 1 mark, and the last one, superscription, is 1 mark. If we are write these correctly, definitely out of 10 we will get 8 marks. Okay, so we don't neglect. Date and station we write right side of the page. The salutation, whether it is personal letter, dear mom, dear father, dear friend, like this. And if it is professional letter, respected ma'am or respected sir. Body of the letter, it depends upon purely the content, how the letter, what the letter is asked. Okay. The fourth one is subscription. Subscription, it's mean none other than if it is official letter, we write left side of the page to address, nothing but to address. If in the case of personal letter, we write below the body of the letter from the right side. Say for example, if it is personal letter, yours lovingly, yours affectionately, or it is professional letter, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, like this. Okay, Nana? Next, the last one, superscription. If it is professional letter, from address. If it is personal letter, no need. Just we leave it. Okay, Namma? These are the rules and instructions before we start the writing letter. Now let us know what kind of what letters will come in the coming examinations. Recently the burning points have happened in our state. Say for example, we are very fortunate. Nadu Nedi is conducting Vidya Kanka, Jagannath Vidya Kanka, and COVID. Maybe these burning point on these points, the examiner will ask. Okay. Now I share the screen. You will follow that. Thank you. Okay, Nana. Now I will show you some model letters. I will share the screen. All of you watch these letters. The first one is Your school conducted a cultural week in which the students from other schools also participated. Your school stood first and you are adjusted as the best performer. Write a letter to your friend who is residing in Visakhapatnam describing the cultural week, how you are performed, awarded, won by you and your school. This is the letter. What type of this letter? This is a personal letter. Okay. To write to our friend. It's me to your friend. As usual, we write right side of the page date and station. The salutation is dear friend. The body of the letter. Every personal letter commonly we write hi friend, how are you? I am fine here and I hope that you are fine there. Mainly I write this letter to share my feelings that recently our district educational officer conducted a cultural meet in Visakhapatnam. There 30 schools were participated in that event. Our school is also participated and awarded first prize for dance performance. I'm happy to share this wonderful moment to you. I think you too happy after reading this. The end of the passage, the third passage, we have to write, convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to your near and dear. Okay. Subscription is yours lovingly, comma, your name and your village and your address. That's enough. That is the letter. This is the first one. Can you understand? Shall we go for the second letter? Okay. YSR Jagananna Vidya Kanuka Yojana. A new scheme has been launched by the government of Andhra Pradesh for the year 2021. In this scheme, school kids were provided with the basic necessities such as the school bags, the shoes, belt and other important things which are really needed to go to the school without any problem. This is the content. This is the matter the examiner asks us. We are really very fortunate who are the poor people, below poverty line people were very fortunate to get these things. So once we thankful to our government, mainly Jagananna. Okay, how the letter is asked in the exam. Now write a letter to your friend Shrija or whoever it may be the name, who is staying in Visakhapatnam. In your letter reflect your views to Jagananna Vidya Kanuka and how it is beneficial to your school. Also write a few words about how your parents are feeling after receiving the Jagananna Vidya Kanuka kit. Okay, Nana? Now I explain you how to write. This is also personal letter. This is also write to your friend. As usual, you write in the first para, I am so and so, I am fine and I hope that you are fine there. Mainly I write this letter to convey my feelings to you. We are very fortunate students because our state government provide all school needs what we have. We are ever thankful to Jagananna. How great to distribute all things like school bags, uniforms, notebooks, belts, shoes, marks, whatnot, everything in our kids. So mainly our parents are very happy because of our financial position is very low. So we are unable to purchase these things. Once again, thank you so much Jagananna to providing these things to all entire students in the state. Commonly the last para, convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to near and dear to our friends, whatever it may be. This is the letter how we are write. Okay, I think you can follow me. Shall I go for the third one? Okay, the major impact of plastic bags on the on the environment is that it takes many years for them to decompose. In addition, toxic substances are released into the soil when plastic bags perish under sunlight, and if plastic bags are burned, they release a toxic substance into the air, causing ambient air pollution. This is the content. Yes, recently, since 20 years and mostly 10 years, we have been observing the uses of plastic is increasing. So that commonly our surroundings and environment is polluted. So that we have take some precautions to abolish using plastic. So what steps we take for reducing plastic uses? Okay, this how was the letter is: write a letter to your friend expressing your views, focusing on how plastic usage is harmful to the government, and also suggest certain steps to reduce the usage of plastics. Okay, plastic. Okay, how we are writing this letter means this is also a personal letter. We write date and station at the right side of the page, and the salutation, of course, we discussed dear friend, comma, the body of the letter. How we are write means the first para is common. We are very happy. I am fine here, and I hope that you are fine there. Mainly, I read this letter to share my views. I am terribly frightened about our environment. Mainly uses of plastic in our society. Day by day, it is increased and made dangerous situation have happened in our environment. These are takes many years for them to decompose. Not only that, toxic substances are released into the soil, so it became pollutant, and moreover, when we burnt these released toxic into the air, causing ambient air pollution. Okay, so what steps we are taken? Now write in the next passage. So, as a citizen of our country, I should strictly abolish uses of plastic and planted the plants more our surroundings. Okay, there may be a little bit reduce the percentage of pollution in our environment. So I request you to one and all, please planted the plants to your surroundings. Please save environment and save our lives. Okay, last para is common. Convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to all. Yours lovingly, so and so. Okay, this is the letter to write of environment letter. Okay, shall we go for the fourth one? Okay, we all know someone who has lost their jobs or suffered a reduction in their income due to the COVID-19. Yeah, since 1 year or 1.5 years, we have been facing more difficulties due to COVID. So, how the pandemic situation suffered the financially poor people, how they are lead their lives, how they sustain their lives. These things we have to write in our letter. Living in the chores of war, this comes on top of the daily struggle to survive. COVID-19 threatens our health, isolates us from family and friends, puts a strain on your jobs. These challenges are felt globally. Okay, this is the letter. How he asks, now write a letter to your uncle who is staying in Hyderabad and describing the plight of the people, how they suffered during the lockdown in your area. This is the letter. Okay, now I explain you how to write this letter. What kind of this letter? This letter is also personal letter. As usual, we have to write date and station at the top of right side of the top. Date, comma, and your village name, full stop. This is personal letter, so we write dear uncle, comma, Okay, now comes to body of the letter. As usual, hi uncle, I'm fine here and I hope that you are fine there. Mainly I read this letter to share my views. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought a great deal of change to our lives. While many things have changed in our lives, as we are engaged in daily routines and find our new normal, it's important to remember we are still living in the world with COVID-19 until the vaccinate is available. First of all, we should find a thing. Our population is 130 crores, but government provided for above the 45 years old. Who get vaccinate, who are eligible for vaccination are above 45 years old. I think that half of the people are not vaccinated. So we should beware, we should take care of this pandemic situation. Okay. We should take precautions. Still are we should maintain social distance, we should wear masks, face masks, and guidance for home, workplaces, family life, etc. These are the precautions while we are go out from our town, go out from our home. Mainly our family have faced utmost difficulties while pandemic, so don't neglect and be safe and stay at home. These are the precautions I share to you, uncle. How is auntie? Convey my regards to her, and convey my wishes to Vadina and Baba, whatever it may be, you write. And the finally subscription, your affectionately, your name, comma, your affectionately, comma, your name, comma, your village, full stop. Okay, this is the letter how we are write. The fifth one is, this letter is also very important. You have observed many. This is now we have been discussing personal letters, but it is a official letter, a professional letter. The letter is, you have observed many people spitting everywhere and littering in public places. You think there is a need to educate everyone on the cleanliness of public places. Such actions will cause health hazards to the people. Diseases also spread because of such bad habits among the public. You think that public behavior should be included in the syllabus for students. Okay, write a letter to the editor of Hindu newspaper describing the importance of inculcate good habits among the people. This is the letter. Already we discussed, this is an official letter. So we have to write date and station at the top of the right side of the page, and subscription is also right at the top left side. This is official letter to write an editor. So we write to, no need to put comma, follow to, and the editor, comma, Hindu paper, Visakhapatnam, Hindu paper, comma, Visakhapatnam, full stop. Okay, respected sir, comma. Okay, now I explain you the body of the letter. Okay, no need to write how are you, I am fine, he had. These are not necessary. These are not need to write in official letters. Those things are write in only personal letters. Okay, I will explain you the body of the letter of this. I would like to inform you to your kind concern about the people in our locality spitting everywhere and littering in public places. I brought that it is need to educate everyone on the cleanliness of the public places, so that actions will be cause health hazards to people. Diseases also spread because of some bad habits among the public. These lines already given in our text, given in our question paper, so no need to worry. Okay ma, just you write it at the top of the body of the letter. We would like to inform you sir to your kind concern about the people, and that's all. The remaining thing is also given in the text, given in the question paper. You should write the entire that. So you don't worry. At end of the letter we have to write. It's mean that what we call second passage. Hence I request you to publish an article in our Hindu paper, and it may change the people as a good one. Thank you very much, sir. Yours affectionately, because it is this is an official letter, so we write yours sincerely, comma, your name. My name is Nagamani, so I write Nagamani, comma, Vizianagaram, full stop. But you don't write my name, you write your name and your village name. Okay, ma? This is the letter how we write. Okay, how many letters we discussed? I think 5 letters is over. Next, the 6th one is very important letter, very burning issue in our state. We are very fortunate to discuss regarding this topic. I too very happy because my school became very glorious and wonderful. So I'm very happy to explain this. Okay, be careful to listen. Our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has launched Nadu Nedu program, the Nadu Nedu program, which seeks to transform government schools into vibrant and competitive institutions. The program has created a new leaf over education sector and will provide opportunities to weaker sections and underprivileged. This is the topic he asked in the exam paper. I think definitely అదేంటి జగనన్న విద్యా కానుక ఆర్ నాడు నేడు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఆర్ కోవిడ్, దీస్ ఆర్ 3 topics are very important for our letter writing section. So don't neglect I advise you to practice more and more these letters because these are the burning issues in our state. Okay ma, I think you get my idea. Okay, now write a letter to your friend describing the transformation that was brought about in infrastructure and many other under programs. Okay, what kind of this letter? Oh, very good. This is also personal letter. We already discussed 3 or 4 letters, personal letters. Only we discussed one official letter, that is COVID. So I think you try to write of your own. Shall you write? Good girls. I know you are right. You will write as usual, Nana. Date and station write at the top of the page. This is the personal letter, so need to write to address at the top. Immediately we start what is that? Salutation to whom? To your friend. So dear friend, comma, body of the letter is common. What is the body of the letter? I am fine here and I hope that you are fine there. The second passage of the body, what already Jagannath Vidya Kanuka, you know how to write. The same way you have to try to write the middle of the letter, second page of the body. Okay, finally as usual, convey my regards to your parents and best wishes to your friends. This way you have to write of your own. I think everyone should practice carefully and write of your own. Write of your own. Okay, these 6 letters I expected to come for our coming exams, so everyone should practice carefully, and I wish to get more marks in English. I am very partial about my subject, so that everyone, I wish it is my wish everyone get A1s in our subject. Okay, so once again I wish you all the best for our exams. I think you can understand what today's class is. In the beginning of the class we discussed comprehension part from the first lesson. Attitude is altitude. I think you are already practiced because this is the first lesson. No need to worry, don't be tensioned. Just simply practice for 1 hour for English, because we have other subjects itself to practice. So need to worry. Emma, I wish you once again all the best. That is for today's class. Thank you.